What is going on, everyone? It's Dan here again with your weekly Tech Marketer newsletter here. So on this one, I am looking specifically at AgencyZoom, and I'm going to look at one of the things that I don't think agents are utilizing enough, and that is your assignment groups. Now, the assignment groups are huge because they will let you round robin through a specific group of people, which if you're trying to scale your agency is going to be so much easier than trying to assign things to somebody specific. Now, what I mean by that, so you have two different assignment groups. You've got your producers and your CSRs. Now, what's cool is when you go in to make an assignment group, you can name it whatever you want. You can put whoever you want in it, and you can split it up like, personal, commercial, life, obviously, licensed service staff, non-licensed service staff, whatever you need to do. So now when I go into build an automation, so this is a sales one. So when I go into automation and I create a task, create this to do, I can round robin through a group and I get to pick from any of those assignment groups that I just picked through, that I just created, right? So I've got commercial line sales. This also works, like I said, on the service center as well, especially, big time use cases at renewal time. Anybody who has a VE or a VA that's going and getting quotes done for you and then presenting them to the CSR or the producer to review, you can create an assignment group, just call it renewal group or, renewal quotes or something along those lines. Then you can go in and you can assign the task to that group. It'll round robin through your VAs for you. Then they can go and they'll get assigned it. They'll go and do whatever quoting process that you have set up for them. And then they can move it, tag it, whatever they need to do, whatever that workflow looks like for your agency inside of that pipeline. And that will speed things up tremendously for you. And what's good about having a group instead of assigning to an individual person is if you ever get rid of that person, you don't have to go back and update all of your automations. The group is already there. You just have to bring somebody in, assign them to the right group, and you're done. That's it. So very short and sweet this week. If you have any questions about that, if you have any concerns, I know you can do this in some of the other CRMs as well. Better Agency to an extent, I know has teams inside of there as well that you can work with. So if you want to walk through how to do this, just hit me up, reply to this email, shoot me a Facebook message, text me, whatever it is that you need to do. I will happily walk through this with you on an individual basis. And I look forward to talking with you all next week. Have a great one.